You're listening to the sounds of Salford, from the UK going out to the world.
Hi, good evening and welcome to a bit of Wednesday night Coey and Rants.
Hello!
How are you, pal?
Fed up.
There's a bit of Baby Jane going on here to the lovely Deb Clemens.
Yeah. Just for you.
Just for you, Debs, it's just pop round to the studio, won't you, mate?
JD Lane.
Fix the eating.
Fix the eating. Oh, it's like a sauna in the studio.
Oh, what's up, mate?
Oh, I tell you what, sweating ain't, isn't it? Sweating more than Hillary Clinton was last night.
That was a bit of a shock, wasn't it?
Well, it's like the Brexit, innit? It's a bit of a shock. People power.
People power, yes. Power over profit now. People over profit, innit?
Well, let's
People
see.
are getting fed up with it now, aren't they?
Let's see if they both deliver, eh?
Do you think they will?
Well, I'm not really so much bothered about whether the states do, to be honest with you.
I know. Well, how's it going to change our life?
Well, who knows?
I've got a question for you here today, right? I've been watching the news all day and it's been all about America.
Yeah.
Why ain't there been one little snippet on, say, and a bloke in Salford has got a job?
Correct.
Do you know what I mean?
Because
Who's
he's not
interested in that?
Well,
I'm not. It's not going to affect me. I'm not going to go to America.
People are interested, seem to be interested in politics all the same, because everyone's got an opinion, haven't they, looking at Facebook?
Oh, yes. Oh, there's some politicians on there, isn't there?
Oh, I'll tell you what, the lefties are up in arms, aren't they, again? They don't like it, do they?
I've gone right off, mate. I've gone right off Carl Burnman.
Yeah,
Telling you now, mate, I've gone off him.
The bloke's a clown, isn't he? I
can't vote for him.
I don't get where he's coming from
There's
at all.
no way you can vote for him and being a strong Labour man all my life. I'm just getting disillusioned with him, mate.
I've never ever voted anything but Labour in my life.
Haven't,
but I've always voted, and when I haven't voted for them, I've spoilt the ballot paper.
Yeah, you have to, don't you?
Just to exercise my democratic right to vote.
So someone's counting it, and then you know when you see your squiggle.
Yeah, well, I just tick every box.
And I don't know about you, but I always take a pen, me.
Yeah.
I'm a bit paranoid about them changing boxes.
It could be paranoia, couldn't it? You know what I mean? But I don't get when you go to vote. Like every slip's got like a number on it, haven't they? And they take the number down, don't they?
Yeah.
Put it against
Why
your
do
name.
they do that?
That's I've no idea, but I think that's
to check if you vote.
A bit cloak and dagger, that, isn't it? Really,
Yeah,
to check to see where you voted and who you voted for.
So they know who you vote for, then, don't they?
Yeah, of course. It's a bit.
So it's not democratic, really.
Well, it is.
Yeah.
But why do they need to know that? Maybe it's because they want to make sure that you're the person that's voted and you've not gone against anybody else's name and stuff like that. I don't know.
But maybe they might get our list of them that haven't voted and fill them all in later.
Yeah, maybe.
You just don't know, do you?
Well, you don't know.
How do you know there's not some bloke phoning up saying 675-142 thing?
Because you don't have to bring your voting card, do you?
No.
You just got to give your address, haven't you? Yeah. And your postcode. So yeah, you're right there, as it goes. It could be.
Could be, could it?
Could be manipulation of the. I think they should collect your polling card. It should have a barcode on it.
Yeah.
And it should be scanned saying, right, he's been into voting.
Yeah.
And they retain your voting card.
Because I think it could be vote rigging.
Of course, definitely. I think probably that's how it happens. I mean, I'm not sure, but
there's that much money.
Certainly a way of doing it there, isn't there?
There's that much money involved in it all that you know.
Conspiracy theories abound on the sounds of Salford.
Well, I'm thinking maybe so, mate. I'm thinking maybe so. Right, let's look at it realistically. If you was going up against Hillary Clinton, right, just a normal kid off the street, not a multi-billionaire, would you have had a chance against her?
No, I wouldn't have thought so.
No, but Donald Trump, right? It looks a bit orange to me. It looks like one of them Oompa Loompas.
Oompa Loompa, yeah.
Oompa Loompa. It looks like one of them, doesn't it?
Yeah, you'll have
Have you seen his beard?
His wife?
Yeah. Have you seen her?
I've seen her, yeah.
She's not a bad looking piece, is she, when you look compared to him?
Well, you think about it. You think about his side. Money breeds kind of people like that, doesn't it? It's all the beautiful people and all that lot. They all stick together, don't they?
Yeah, well, I don't think she's gone with him for his looks, do you?
Well, he might be very stealthy in the bedroom, you never know, do you?
Might be. Talks a good one, doesn't it?
Might be unlike a donkey.
It might be. There's got to be something going for him. Or it might be his bank account.
His rent, yeah.
It might be the size of his wallet, mate.
Or his golf courses, or his hotels, or his towers.
Or his planes.
Yeah, he's got a few of
them.
She might
like a big jumbo.
She might.
Whereas if she comes to Salford, she gets a chipolato. Wouldn't she, mate?
Depending on who off, doesn't it?
Well, she'd get the chipolato of the Williams.
Right, anyway, you better go into another song here.
Right, we've got a song here for Carol Warwork, haven't we? A bit of Lady Linda.
Lady Linda by the Beach Boys.
Yes, she says she likes them, so she asked for it last week, but unfortunately I couldn't get it on in time.
Yeah.
And it's totally unexpected that we were doing the Coey's Rants tonight. It's only because the studio's red hot.
Correct.
The studio's red hot, but it's freezing outside.
That's another free of charge job that the Coleman has to do.
No, because now you can give your business name, can't you?
Well, I don't usually do.
Right, well, if you don't, I've got
central heating. I do air conditioning and heating from an air conditioning.
It's called AP Cooling Solutions.
Limited.
Yes, limited for all your AC. What's AC?
Air conditioning.
Air conditioning requirements, from installation to service to maintenance and sales.
Correct. And did you know that air conditioning is the cheapest form of heating these days? Because it's green.
Right, and we like green.
It's a green technology now.
So for further details, contact Paul Coleman on telephone number 016.
No. That's gone now.
Let's go on the mobile.
0777 614 7815.
That's it. And that's AP Cooling Solutions, the best in the Northwest.
Correct.
Right,
in the UK even.
Let's go to the Beach Boys. They're going out there to Carol Walworth.
Come here and lie, lay Linda with me. We can lie in the Green Canyon meadow, and we'll hear the birds sing in the spring. Don't you know if you stay, lay Linda with me? We can talk about love ever after, when you lie Linda with me.
And that was Lady Linda by the Beach Boys for another one of our listeners. So
Carol Walworth.
Carol Walworth. I hope you enjoyed that, Carol.
Big Salford fan, I believe.
Long time since I've heard that.
What? Track.
Salford fan. Everyone's a Salford fan at the moment.
Everyone's a Salford fan now, yeah.
I hope